how to use your brain to make you successful. It's called the neuroscience of success. You know who the biggest enemy is in your own growth? It's you yourself. It's your brain, because you yourself don't believe that you have it in you to become a CXO. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not lying. Most of us are imposters or people who get in the way of our own success. You want the money, you want the power, you want the position, but something tells you within you that you're not good enough. So it's your own brain that gets in the way. And I'm now going to teach you how to get that brain out of the way. First thing, try and understand. The subconscious brain is about 90% of what your brain is. And you actually use only 10% of your brain, which is the conscious brain. So the subconscious brain has to be programmed to work in your favor, to help you create the reality that you want to. You know, successful athletes, successful people actually visualize the future that they want. And they get over their limiting beliefs. But there are typically several things that get in your way. The first thing is fear. Sometimes we just fear that there's too much work or we may not get there. Two, you might just get overwhelmed by the size of the task. And that happens to a lot of us. But you know what? You can reprogram your mind. You can use your brain to make it as successful as you want to be.